Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to see the remaining part of the lesson natural vegetation and wildlife as the revision. Okay ma'am. So in the previous lesson we have seen about the what? Natural vegetation, flora and fauna, and other than that factors affecting it, climate, temperature and all those things we have seen, right? So after that we have seen already the tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and today we are going to see the tropical thorn forest and shrubs. Okay ma'am, so what is tropical thorn forest and shrubs? So these forests have what? These vegetation have thorny trees and bushes, right? Thorny trees and bushes. Okay, and these trees grow in the areas of what? In the part of northwestern part of country. Okay, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Okay, northern part of India. Okay, so other than that, now we are going to see what are the types of plants that are living in this area. Okay, so these trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil to get the moisture. Okay, and one more thing is these stems, the stems of the trees and plants are moist to conserve water. What more? Conserve water. And leaves are mostly thick and small to what? Minimize the evaporation. Most of the leaves will be short and thick. Okay. And other than that, the trees that are grown in these areas are what? Acacias, palm, and the varieties. Okay. Acacias, palm, and the varieties like euphorbias and cactus. Okay, and the main thing is the common animals live in this area is rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses and camels. Okay ma'am. Cat, rat, tiger, wolf, wild ass, like that. Okay. So these are the things that we see in tropical thorn forest and shrubs. Okay, ma'am. And the next one, what we are going to see is mountain forest. So what is this mountain forest, ma'am? Mountain forest is a thing in which wet temperate type of forest is otherwise called as mountain forest. Okay, and the trees of this forest heights up to 1000 to 2000 meters. Okay ma'am. So it is otherwise called as wet temperate forest. Tree heights to 1000 to 2000 meters. Okay ma'am, 1000 to 2000 meters. And now what we are going to see is what are the types of trees that are grown in this area. Mainly what? Mainly the mosses and lichens form the part of tundra vegetation. Mosses and lichens. Okay ma'am. For tundra vegetation. Okay. What else is there ma'am? What else is there? Mainly the animals like Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jack rabbit and Tibetan antelope. And also yak, snow leopard, squirrels, yak, snow, and also what? Shaggy wild ibex. where the common animals grown here. Okay. Commonly we can say it as the area where sheep, goats, thus wild ass, etc. Okay. So these are the things, main content of mountain forest. And the next one is what? Mangrove forest. Okay, you might have learned well about mangrove forest, right? So it is nothing but these forests are mostly nearby to the coastlines. Okay, ma'am. So this is mainly called as what? Not only mangrove forest but also it is called as mangrove tidal forest. Forest nearby to the coastlines. Okay, the main thing what we are seeing in this is what? In this area, mud and silt accumulated on the coast. What? Mud and silt. Mud and silt. And other than that, what other things will be there, ma'am? There are dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots underwater. Okay? And the main trees found here is Sundari trees and what? Most of the trees giving timber. Okay? For timber. Okay, ma'am. And what is the main thing? Main animal living in this area is Royal Bengal tiger. Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, so here we have seen what are things. Tropical thorn forest. These thorn forests, thorny trees and bushes will be there, and most of the forests are found in the northern part of India. And acacias palm are the main trees grown here. And the next one is what are the animals living here? Cat, rat, tiger, wolf, wild ass, all those things are living there. And in the mountain forest, there will be a wet temperate, it will be called otherwise called as wet temperate forest, and the trees in this area lives what heights up to 1000 to 2000 meter. Okay, and the most of the lichen trees for tundra vegetation was found there, and also what are the animals living there? Sheep, goats, tigers, wild ass, etc. Okay, so now what is mangrove forest? Mangrove forest is otherwise called as mangrove tidal forest, and it is mainly located nearby to the coastline. Okay, and in coastline area mostly you will be knowing that there will be mud and silt will be there, and also what? The trees growing there mainly is Sundari trees, and they will be in the river Ganges of water, Ganges and also Brahmaputra, and they are used for timbers. Okay, and the animal living here is Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, ma'am. Now what we are going to see is wildlife. Okay, in India we all know that India is rich in fauna. Fauna, that is animals. Okay, so India is rich in animals, and what are the animals we are seeing in every areas? Okay, in this wildlife, what it is mentioned is areas and the species living in our areas. Okay, and what are the animals that we are that are living in this area? What? Lion, tiger, wild ass, what? Spotted deer, and what? One-horned rhinoceros, and mainly elephants and many other species. Okay, and many other species that we can see in our wildlife topic. And the next one is the cause of major threat of what? Flora and fauna. So that is what we are going to see in this topic. And the main cause of major threat of flora and fauna is mainly because of three things. And what is that? In our India, each and every species has the major role to save our ecosystem, right? So that is the main thing. And what are the major threat means? Hunting for commercial purposes. Hunting most of the animals for commercial purposes, for their horns and many other things. And the next one is what? And the next one is nothing but cutting the trees, rapidly cutting the trees of the forest for cultivation and habitation. Okay, ma'am. And the final thing is pollution by chemical and industrial waste. So these are the main things. So once again, what are the things you can remember it? First one is what, ma'am? Hunting for commercial purpose. What is the second one? Second one is what? Dumping, polluting by chemical and industrial waste. And the final factor is rapidly what? Destroying or rapidly cutting trees of forest, for what, ma'am? Habitation and also cultivation and habitation. Okay, ma'am. And now what we are going to see is what are the government initiative to protect flora and fauna. Okay, ma'am. What are the government initiative to protect flora and fauna? Mainly what are the things? 18 biosphere reserves has been set up in India to protect flora and fauna. Okay, and the same way there were many financial and technical assistance given to the botanical gardens by the government of India from 1992. Okay. And the main thing is eco-developmental projects like what? Project Tiger, Project Rhinoceros and Project Leopards. In that way, by keeping separate projects, what happened? These people were creating tiger reserves and rhinoceros reserves. In that way, they were safeguarding the wild animals from extinction. Okay, ma'am. And the next one is what? There are totally 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens were set up to take care of national heritage. Okay, so shall we have a short recap of it before that? Okay, what are the things, what are the initiatives taken by government to protect flora and fauna? 18 biosphere reserves in India. And what is the next thing? Wildlife sanctuaries what? Wildlife sanctuaries and zoological gardens. Bios what? Other than that what? Mainly national parks and zoological gardens, right? National parks and gardens. Okay. And one main thing what was did is what? To save the ecosystem project what? Project Rhinoceros, Project Lion. In that way, many eco development projects were introduced. Eco development projects. Okay, ma'am. Projects to save animals. Okay. So these are the things, and the final thing is what? Financially and technically, assistance was given to what? Botanical garden. Okay, ma'am. Financial and technical assistance to botanical gardens. Okay, ma'am. So these are the things done by the government to protect flora and fauna in India. Okay, ma'am. So this is how this natural vegetation and the wildlife lesson ends. And today, what are the topics we have seen now? You just what? You just read it. You just what? Learn all those, put the questions from these topics, and also you just write a short summary on that for minimum of 1 or 2 pages. Okay, ma'am? As homework. Thank you.